Hey there! Are planks a part of your daily routine? If not, you should definitely add them. They're a great exercise and provide a lot of benefits from helping you with strengthening your abs and glutes to even increasing your mood. Did you know that there are over 50 plank variations? Well, don't worry, you don't need to know all of them to get the benefits. Instead, today we're going to go over the 5 best planks and how to effectively do them. But say you've never done a plank before, is this video for you? Well, don't worry, because we'll show you the classic forearm plank to get you going. And for those of you who consider yourself intermediate or even advanced, stay tuned, because we're going to cover planks for all levels and more. Number 1, the forearm plank. If you're new to planks, the forearm plank is a great way to really feel the burn. Here's how you do them. First, get down on your mat and place your forearms directly underneath your shoulders. Your hands should be extended and your body lengthened. Next, tuck your tailbone and ensure you engage your glutes, triceps, and abs to prevent your spine from arching toward the mat. And lastly, tuck your toes under and lift your knees so that your body forms a straight line. Try holding your plank for 20 to 30 seconds, building up to a minute or longer. Here's a little fun fact. According to the Guinness Book of World Records, the longest forearm plank was held for 8 hours. Number 2, the side plank. The side plank is one of the best moves for your midsection, yet it's typically disregarded in favor of the standard face-down, forearm-supported normal plank. There's nothing wrong with that, but by disregarding the side plank, you're overlooking the quadratus lumborum, a muscle in the posterior abdominal wall that plays a key role in preventing back problems. Here's how you do them. Lie down on one side. Make sure your elbow is squarely beneath your shoulder and your wrist is straight while your arm is in a horizontal position. Keep your feet on the ground, legs stacked, and hips raised. Raise your hands straight toward the ceiling or place it on your hip. Next, contract your core and raise your hips until your body is in a straight line from head to feet. Hold this for 30 seconds to a minute while squeezing your glutes. When you're ready, try lifting from your stacked feet instead of your knees. Then, using variations such as arm reaches or lifting and lowering your hip, you may increase the challenge and build more stability. Number 3, the walking plank. The walking plank, also known as the alternating hand plank or press-up plank, may appear to be a significant difference, but it just adds a small amount of movement up and down. Despite the minor variation, it should be significantly more difficult to execute than a conventional plank if done correctly, and it should be enough to break up the monotony. Begin in a prone plank position, resting on your forearms with your body forming a straight line from shoulders to feet. Then, push up from the ground, one arm at a time, into the elevated press-up position, all while maintaining your rigid plank form. Holding both the plank and press-up postures for 10 to 30 seconds during the walking plank will increase the difficulty of the exercise. This is a variation that is not for the faint of heart. Add 3 to 5 press-ups before returning to the plank position to make things even more difficult. Number 4, the mountain climber plank. Mountain climbers are a hero activity for a variety of reasons. Perform the exercise as rapidly as possible to add low-impact cardio to your routines. Slowing it down puts your core stability and hip flexion to the test, both of which are necessary for excellent running form. Begin in a plank position with your shoulders over your wrists. Draw in your waist, slide your shoulder blades down your back, and engage your core. Pull one knee in, then the other to warm up the tummy. That counts as 1 rep. Continue and speed up the repetitions for some low-impact cardio. As previously mentioned, you can also slow down the repetitions to stabilize your core and hip flexion. Number 5, the reverse plank. This variation works the glutes, hamstrings, abdomen, obliques, triceps, and shoulders, among other muscle groups. That's a lot of muscle groups. You can do this with a foam roller or on a mat. Using a foam roller is a more advanced technique. It works your triceps while also relieving wrist pain. Furthermore, when done properly, it also engages your core. To start, sit on the floor with your legs extended in front of you. Place your palms on the floor, a little behind and outside your hips, with your fingers extended wide. Lift your hips and torso toward the ceiling by pressing into your palms. During this move, look up to the ceiling. Keep your arms and legs straight and point your toes. Pull your belly button back towards your spine while squeezing your core. Hold it up for about 30 seconds in this position. Finally, return to the beginning position by lowering your hips and torso to the floor. Were you able to follow along with these plank exercises? How hard were they? Let us know in the comment section below. We'd love to hear from you. And for more videos on exercise routines and overall health, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.